guys, my name is Haseeb Rehman. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to bay parking by reversing into the bay and front parking. So make sure that you like, share and subscribe. It will be in Toyota Yaris, or you can use it in some other car, small cars. So if you have any comments, you can comment down below. So guys, I'll show you how to park the car forward into the bay. So like forward into the bay. So this is the car going. So it's going slowly. Stop right now, sorry. So indicate left. So now it's going. So you just check what bay you are going, so organize it. So this side mirror should be the same as the line that way you're going in the bay. So what bay you going? So you full lock on the left, your steering wheel. Then you slowly go into the bay. There you can see the car going into the bay. Should be that much space, so you have space to go into the bay. It's going slowly. So check both mirrors so you can see the bay. The line is visible in the mirror. So here the line we can see. So you straight 1.5 to straighten the wheel. Move a bit forward. There. So you put your handbrake up and put your gear on P, which is park. So you can see that your car is in line to the bay by checking your side mirrors. There. So the car's parked. So now this is the outside view. So now I'll show you how to reverse into the bay. So now this is the bay that we're gonna go in. So you count the lines. This is 1, 2, 3. So you just stop like middle of the line, the third line. So select off or reverse. And then you reverse till your side mirror is the same joint as the third line. So how it is now. So then you indicate left and full lock on the left, your steering wheel. So you reverse, slowly reverse. So here you can see, so securely. Slowly reverse into the bay, check your surroundings for the safety. Here you can see that the car's going in the bay. So when the both sides are visible in the mirror, the bay line, so you straight the wheel. And then you check that the car's in the line. You can see by your side mirror. Here you can see, and you can see it here. So now you put your handbrake up and select your gear for P. And this is the outside view. guys, I hope that you liked my video. Make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and if you liked it, please share it, and you can use my other videos for your help.